Karbeng long along hawari sunim so arong aje among we japra lang so along nihang don suri hawari sunim so arong aje phan kang hong Agent atum ronga sora phan tangka ki hang alam pen Bogajan LA constituency MLA Bogajan electricity SI kamalong kapate bongtang Bogajan along Sakti project kapang cheng Kardom ada berta long veniri berta than bang thare harmony be non bertang ban pen arjik tha KCS nihang don suri ahawar amai pen ingkoi la trok angdeng Jonel Karbi Youth Festival ketalon jiaphan arni inghong kok amar lo puji karnews along berta nang pali Bokajan subdivision ke parlo japra lang so along ingkoi la trok angdeng Jonel Karbi Youth Festival ketalon jiaphan arni inghong kok amar lo KCS nihang don suri ahawar amai pen Kepadoji arongaje along pining kadukabe terang pretrok atharia samiatum lunkan amo nang endunji pusi tirikam amai pen pachini arongaje kepadoji adim non hejong jagar sing ti VDC amai phu riso sing na lapen ari sang hotum lang charidam Bokajan subdivision along agent atum rong sora phan tangka khang alam arjulong si Bokajan MLA electricity sai kamalong pale dam si laso putha khumri dam pusi Bokajan pe niritum pherangke katnu sarang berta nang pale Bokajan rihingame asai kamalong tangka aboreng keklem abang puatum rong sora phan tangka hangare ti bu akoy kelong pen Bokajan LA constituency MLA Dr Numul Mumin Bokajan electricity asai kamalong pale dam si sai puatum aphan chitong dam rong asong pen akoy kewan alam tarlip nang jipusi sai phu aphan MLA Mumin Paretekan alang li Bokajan subdivision angkang kapaching thur ji aphan Bokajan block asai phu lapen chokamar pen chetham chimung pontu Lok Sabha kelikate bok lang dam pen District Congress Committee atum Bokajan along Sakti project pangcheng dam Great Roxy Bokajan LA Youth Congress Committee pen Bokajan along non hejong Sakti project Pangcheng dam si project asai ke claim ji aphan sigdang pon laso project ke pangcheng along Karbiang lo District Congress Committee Bokajan MLA Abarem Klengdun inti Bokajan Youth Congress lapen Block Congress asong jatum chitong dun Namnam sopor han bertamong ton ponik sina
Hurry up, hurry up. Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors opposite of DIG Bungalow, Difu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Difu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101478818. J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435-925-116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbi Anglong, Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang salahormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk Thelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Come one, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India.
Dhinamo piputat bertalong pangtholo. KSA Dendaghat are open. Kepado. Hini ang den Karbi Premier League Football Kachapati. Pre krehini arning ang dungkiti patu pontanglo. KSA Dendaghat aro amaipen dongkaching tu patu aklam along kepado. Hini ang den Karbi Premier League Football ang dungkiti Kachapati Jirsong Club lapen. Veteran Club ang bongsi pado. Jirsong Club atum Veteran Club aphan ball pum ni tapsi ang dungkiti anong e chepalong. Kachapati esek bimol be aphan ball kitap teknai lapen. Rugasen rong parapan kepatu teknai pusi hok ponlo. Angdum kiti along KCS amaipu Chandru Singh Kro. Landun si kihai kerem aklap aphan nong e pajerdun. Ada bertabang lapan segang non ponila domi thangme kurang thu.